What's up, everybody? I'm Noah coming at you with another one. Neo, big waterfall all the way down, and we just hit the 200, closed above the 200 on the half day, and the second half of the day seems to be a green candle. It's around 216. It could go any way, but I definitely want to see a close above the 200 on the half day. Why did this happen? Not entirely sure, but we've seen Bitcoin sell off, Ethereum sell off, a bunch of other stocks dumping, serious profit taking, people getting bored. And now we've got some trap traders up here. Yours truly is up here because I'm just holding long term anyway, so I'm not worried about it. On the daily, this gap down to past the 111, and then we closed above the 100. Angles of repetition to suggest where the bounce is going to be. I mean, that's all, they all have the same kind of fingerprint here. So I would gather that we'll probably see us come up and maybe test the this was past support, so now it's future resistance. Are we going to punch straight through? I seriously doubt it. We'll come up and test and then come back down and try and find a support line. If this keeps coming down, this would be our support line down here around 38. I would love to get some more Neo at 38. Imagine that, 38, when the top was around 67 or whatever. So, um, I think I, I think a past video I said abandoned ship, right? 65 in abandoned ship. Anyway, so is this a scary moment on the weekly? What happened? Well, my dudes, we tested this 20 week, came back down, tested the 20 week, and now we've got a huge wick going back up. So that's telling me there's a lot of buying pressure down around here, which is, I guess, where would it be? It's in line with these wicks, these candle bodies, etc. And that's the bounce. And now price is right about here. So we're going to be testing um, this range. I think consolidation is going to happen here. And we are moving into March. I think March will be a sleepy month for stock trading. It'll be more about accumulation. And I'm sure there's other stocks that have been sleeping for a while that people are going to start loading up on, right? We're all looking for momentum. Um, you guys can look at the watch list at your leisure. So we do have the volume dropping off. We got trap traders. Um, this ran out of steam. What's this line here? Need to overcome that. And overcome that. So I think this is the range we're going to be in. I think we can negate all of this up here. I don't know if we're going to hit there. I think we're going to be down right about here as we consolidate and then accumulate to push for higher highs again. Because what's our target? Since $3, the target has been 100, and then I'll probably take half off the table and I'll look for the next fandangled stock to ride momentum on. So yeah, we may be heading into a little bit of a winter here uh, before we break out and start searching for higher highs again. Neo's been on a stellar run. I mean, look at this thing. Who would not be happy uh, and being way up here? How many people down here wished, or how many people up here wished that they could start buying Neo down here, right? So I think that is the range that we're in. I think I think these are the two areas of concern for us, and I think our trading range will be within here. Just watching that 200. If we head back up, that 200 will start compressing. I think the chance to buy Neo a little bit cheaper is still here because there's some fear and uncertainty. But yeah, I don't like going down below this. But I mean, when we break above here, I think we'll start seeing that accumulation. Just too many moving averages down below pushing down on the 15-minute. Oh, what are the 1-minute traders thinking? Ah, the 200 just starting to break and we're pushing back up. So that was that gap down. Every time we hit a moving average, there was some sort of resistance, and then all of this was consolidation, like we talk about many times. And now we're seeing a trend uh, change back to the upside on the lower time scale. So the day traders are going to step in and they'll probably trade till about $49 and then maybe pull the chute. But long term, this is about accumulating more on our way up. And we got a green volume candle because of this bounce. Not much else to say. I think that is the range that we're looking at. So this is probably a no-go. This will likely be our range. Man, I really need to. There we go. So I think this will be our range that we're going to be bound in. And we need to break the 55 mark so that we continue up. And I think that will only happen like April, May. We may be stuck here for the month of March. It would be great if we go up, but I think that's what's going to happen. Anyways, that's it for Neo. Trade safe.